Working for you. CBS 6 News at noon starts with a breaking news alert.
And thank you for joining us on the CBS 6 News at noon. I'm Kristen Lures. We start with that breaking news out of Richmond. Two men who police say allegedly plotted a 4th of July mass shooting went before a judge this morning. But new details revealed in court show that there may have been no plot of an attack at Dogwood Dell. Our Tyler Lane joins us live from the courthouse with those new details. Tyler?
Well, Kristen, prosecutors don't have any evidence of a mass shooting plot that Richmond police said was planned for Dogwood Dell on July 4th. That admission coming from the Richmond Commonwealth's attorney here in court this morning after the judge pressed hard for more clarity. Now, you might remember last month, Richmond Police Chief Gerald Smith, joined by Mayor LeVar Stoney, told the press that officers arrested two men from Guatemala who were planning to shoot up Dogwood Dell during its Independence Day celebration. Smith said, thanks to a so-called hero tipster, they arrested Julio Alvarado Dubon and Roman Balacarcel. And Smith said the department saved many lives in doing so. Well, ever since that announcement, though, there have been numerous questions about the claims from police and the lack of evidence made public. Particularly, why were those men only charged with possession of a firearm by a non-U.S. citizen and nothing that deals with a mass shooting? Additionally, Crime Insider sources told us this apparent tip was vague and no officers at the Dell that night knew of any potential threat. In court today, Judge David Hicks said he was initially on July 6th only ever presented evidence from prosecutors of a shooting at an unspecified location. But then later that same day, he saw police on the news claiming there was a specified location, Dogwood Dell. He called this unprecedented and unusual. Judge Hicks then asked Richmond Commonwealth's attorney Clinton Seal for evidence showing Dogwood Dell was indeed a target because his kids were there, and that could be a conflict of interest. Take a listen.
Does the Commonwealth have information that either of these individuals were involved in something that could potentially have affected Dogwood Dell on the 4th of July, where I've advised you that my children were present, because I need to know that before I can determine whether or not I can hear anything else on this matter? What would be your statement to that, Mr. Seal?
No.
No.
I don't
You don't? What?
have any information that would lead the Commonwealth to believe Your Honor has a conflict.
So is it your representation, Ms. Commonwealth has...
Now moving forward, Richmond prosecutors have dropped this case and the feds will take over from here. They're charging Dubon with a similar gun crime. However, Balacarcel only faces illegal re-entry, but no charges again related to a shooting. The Richmond Commonwealth's attorney had no comment for me after this hearing today. I've also reached out to Richmond Police for a response. I'm still waiting to hear back from them, but we are staying on top of this story, and coming up all new at 4 o'clock, my colleague Cameron Thompson will speak with our legal analyst about what this development means, and he's getting reaction from city leaders. Working for you in Richmond, I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.